Hello friends, I am Arav Patel from RoboFun Lab. I have made a model of automated elevator with the help of EV3 kit. The components I have used is one EV3 brick, two touch sensors, two medium motor, one large motor, one ultrasonic sensor and RJ12 cable and many more components. I have programmed in such a way that if I press the one touch sensor, the door will be open and close. If I press two touch sensor, the lift will go up, and when the lift stops, the upper door will just open and close. Now I will show you a demo. Thank you.